Hi, I'm Jasmine, and I was sent this 17-inch folding storage ottoman that's also a footstool to check out for you, so let's check this out a little bit closer. This is the color White SP, and it's this beautiful upgraded faux leather material that is so soft to the touch. But it doesn't only come in white, you can get it in so many different beautiful color and fabric options. So when you get the storage ottoman, it's gonna come like this. I love how compact it is because when you're not using it, it's gonna be so easy to store. So this is the lid, and then this is the storage box. The sides on this are such great quality. A lot of these boxes are made of like cardboard. This is actually a thickened, high quality MDF, so it's super sturdy. And the same thing with the base of this box. And we're just gonna push that in there, and voila, it's that easy to build. Because this is made with that MDF, it's not gonna warp easily either. So I'm just gonna put the lid on this. This is gonna be the perfect storage solution. So if this side pocket, you can fit your remotes in, your tablet. You could even put your favorite book or magazine in here. This pocket is really so versatile, and you can keep the things that you use every day that you don't want to lose right in this pocket. But not only that, you just open this up and you can take your extra throw pillows, blankets, or even clothes in here. And you can close this up and nobody's gonna know. Then this is so beautiful, so you can just set it right next to your chair or couch. Put your remote away in there and throw your tablet on there. And then when you need anything inside here or on here, it's at your fingertips. The material of this is this upgraded high quality leather material that is shiny, glossy, soft, and just so comfortable. And because it is that leather, it's gonna be waterproof and so easy to wipe off. And then underneath that beautiful fabric is this thick sponge, making it super comfortable to sit on. And the tufted pattern is gonna make it bounce right back to its form. Not only is this so beautiful, but it can hold up to 330 pounds. So even a full-grown adult can sit on it or use it as a stool or step ladder. It's nice and sturdy. I'm not worried about it giving in at all. Overall, I love how beautiful these little storage ottomans are, and I'm so impressed with how much weight they can hold. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.